What's Poppin Shea Butter Beauties, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys have noticed, I have not posted a video in a good minute, but today I am here to finally say why. This is a video I've been avoiding forever, but I have to put my big girl panties on and go ahead and do it. So, there have been 2 reasons I have not been posting as much, and one of them is because of my fibromyalgia. Basically, and I'll put the actual definition on the screen, but essentially what fibromyalgia is widespread nerve pain, and it causes me to be so tired and so sleepy and in a lot of muscular skeletal pain, and it hurts to wash my hair. My back will hurt, my arms will hurt, I'll get so tired. So trying to film all of that and do my hair is not easy to do. It's never been easy to do, but I just try to push through it. The other reason, which is the topic I've been trying to avoid, which I know I shouldn't, is endometriosis. So a summary for that is, imagine a bowling ball sitting on top of your pelvis with an elephant sitting on top of that juggling fire. And it's just rolling around and rolling around all over everything and causing you to be so tired and in so much pain and just having so many issues. I was diagnosed when I was 19 years old, and before I even had the surgery required for the diagnosis, I was told that I would probably have to have a hysterectomy soon. Thankfully, I did not have to have one, but that's something that really stuck with me, which is what makes this topic hard to talk about, because it can cause infertility. It does not cause it in everyone. Women have kids with endo and don't know that they have endo. But yeah, that's one of the parts of it I don't really talk about, because I'm not actively trying to have kids, and I don't want to think about when I do actively start trying what that'll look like after being told that at such a young age. So, the main 2 reasons, like I just said, why I haven't been filming is because of the overall daily pain. It's not always a 10, but it's not always a 4 either. I don't think I've experienced a 2 in years. Like a 2 out of 10, I don't think I've experienced that in years. So I'm going to do better about getting back on YouTube. If you follow me on Instagram, you see my Instagram reels all the time. If you follow me on Facebook, you see my Facebook reels, but I'm not necessarily neglecting YouTube. It just takes so much. And when I'm tired, I don't want to come on here try to give y'all content, because that's not me. I like to give raw, authentic content, be straightforward, be honest. I don't try to sugarcoat nothing. I don't try to hide nothing. Like, I'm honest about everything. If I don't like something, y'all know I'm not gonna like something. My face tells how I feel anyway. Like, for example, 2 previous brands that I've tried, I couldn't hide my face. I can't sit here and be like, yeah, I like something, and my face is like, girl, no, you know you don't like it. I can't do that. That's not me. So I would rather be honest with y'all about why I kind of disappeared for a little bit, instead of being like, okay, I'm just back. No, that's not me. I'm a Leo, first of all. Let's start there. Very blunt, very honest. And for my astrology people, Aries moon, Scorpio rising for, my astrology people. But yeah. So, turning 26 recently I realized that I need to be more open and honest about my conditions again. I had a whole blog. I still blog from time to time. I had a whole blog about it. I used to base my Instagram around it. Like, everything was centered around my conditions and helping other people understand it, for those who may have been newly diagnosed or whatever. But I got so into my head and so emotional about it, I just stopped, because I started to let it consume me in a way instead of controlling it myself. There's no cure for either one of them. And the only way to diagnose endo is by surgery. But I was letting it consume me too much. And another thing is, I would push myself to a point to where I would have to make myself sit down because my body is making me sit down. And I don't want to do that anymore. I don't want to keep being the strong friend who just keeps going, keeps pushing, and keep doing whatever, knowing I need to sit down somewhere, knowing I'm going to be tired, knowing I'm going to be in even more pain. So I think I'm going to switch up my channel a little bit. I may not necessarily wash my hair on camera. I may not necessarily apply products on camera. If it is like a strenuous thing to do, I may come on after and be like, this was my experience. I might do like short little reel clips and post those throughout the video. But as far as a full wash date, I can't promise that I can give that to y'all anymore. For me, it feels like, and I could be wrong, I could be 100% wrong. It feels like the older I get, the more pain I have, which is the most annoying thing on the face of this earth, because all of this started when I was 14. I'm 26. That is 12 years. 12. So, in those 12 years, I've learned a lot. And I've learned that I have to listen to my body. I can't sit up here and just think I'm the young Thundercat and can run around and do all this stuff knowing I can't. I need to sit down somewhere. I'm an auntie now. Well, not literally, but you know. I'm old. I'm older, so I can't do the stuff I used to do. I can't necessarily go about life the way that I used to. Just thinking, oh, I'll be fine. I'll sit down. I'll sleep later. I don't sleep. I don't get any real rest. And the best way to heal is getting proper sleep and proper rest. And I don't get that. I haven't gotten that in years. So, and my best friend asked me a question, and I fought tears answering her. She said, how do you go throughout the day like nothing is going on? Like, how do you keep a brave face? And I saw her theater class when I was in high school. That's where I met my best friend. We took theater together. I took it all 4 years high school, and I guess I just learned through my teacher, which was the best theater teacher out there, period, that I just have to pretend, like I have to act. I have to go through every day like I'm doing improv. So that's something that has stuck with me, and I'm kind of tired of hiding it, because people will expect a lot out of me if I'm not honest about how I truly feel. Like, I can't say, oh, I'm okay, when I'm really balled up crying in pain. But then when I'm asked to do something, I'm like, okay, give me a minute. But I'm not saying the true reason why I need a minute. So that's why I pushed myself to go ahead and do this video. Just like, you know what? This is me. This is what comes with me. This is what I deal with. And not every day is horrible. Today happens to be one of those horrible days. But I said that I'm not going to let that stop me from being honest with y'all. But after this, I'm probably going to take me a real good nap, because I'm tired. And I'm in so much pain right now. But you wouldn't be able to tell if I didn't tell you. Like, you would know. Through a majority of my videos that I have posted, I was in pain. But I just kept pushing. And I can't keep doing that, or I won't be here to post videos anymore. Because stress, and I cannot stress this enough, stress is one of the number one triggers for both of them. Both of them. Now, I have had 3 endo surgeries, and the last one I had was the gold standard one, which is where they cut it out, cut the endo out. A lot was found and a lot was removed, and my doctor is very confident that he got all of it. But like I said, there's no cure, so I still deal with the pain and the symptoms. Even though I'm on continuous BC, it stops me from having cycles. I haven't had one in almost a year, but I still feel when I'm supposed to have one. I still have that ovulation pain. I still have the PMS week. So, yeah. On the brighter side, I finally did something that I always wanted to do. I want to get my nose pierced. I don't want y'all thinking that it's something on my nose. It is a nose ring. I got my nose pierced back at the end of April. So I did something I always wanted to do, because I was like, you have to stop not doing things you want to do because of how you think people might look at you. So, yeah, it's cute. But I'm trying to laugh keep from crying, y'all, because I've been avoiding this video for so long on purpose. If I was not in therapy, and if I had not have taken the break that I took from talking about it, I would be sitting here in tears, boo-hoo crying right now. And it's good that I did take that break, because I'm able to sit here and be completely honest and open and not break down right now. And there's a lot of women. 1 in 10 women have endo. A lot of women have fibromyalgia. Men have fibromyalgia. Like, it's just the two of them. So when they act up together, please don't ask me to get out the bed. Please don't ask me to talk to you. Please don't ask me to do anything, because I cannot. I cannot. If you call me and I don't answer, I am so sorry. I can't. Well, I'm not. Actually, no, I'm not sorry. I'm taking care of myself and my mental health. And that has been another reason I haven't been on here. Mental health wise, forcing myself to sit in front of a camera, film what I need to film, do my hair. I can't keep doing that. I have the best therapist. She's a Black woman. And she was like, what do you do for self-care? And I told her, I don't really do self-care, because I don't. So I've been trying to do my yoga more. I light my candles. I do my yoga. When I do wash my hair, I try to make it a better experience. And you know what? I used to be side-eyeing people that said Crocs are comfortable. But since I started wearing them, and I wear them when I'm washing my hair, I notice a difference. It's not a big enough difference for me to cut the camera on, but I notice a difference. So it's like, okay, but I just wanted to be honest with y'all. I wanted to say the truth. I wanted to be frank with y'all and be like, this is what it is. This is not what it's not. And I don't want y'all to think I'm neglecting y'all. But if you missed me and you want to see more of me, follow me on Instagram. I do live tweeting on Wednesdays for Married at First Sight. That is my show. That is my comfort show. I have comfort shows. I have comfort films. Moana. Yes, I'm 26 and I will watch Moana for comfort. Because Moana is a bad, and she went out and did what she wanted to do. My girl said, you know what? I'm sorry, Daddy. I'm finna go discover this island because ours messed up. So we finna go fix this. So, Married at First Sight last week, every Wednesday when I can. Definitely talk a little crazy, but hey, it's Married at First Sight. But on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook Reels. Oh, I started a garden, y'all. I'm a whole gardener. I think I'm gonna start documenting it too. I started it as a way to decrease my stress, and I also have to watch what I eat. So growing things and knowing where they came from is going to make a huge difference. I haven't had my first harvest yet. I just started in April, I want to say, and my tomatoes are so tall. I'll try to insert a clip of my tomatoes. But y'all, gardening in the summer, I don't know what I was thinking, because heat can irritate fibromyalgia, and I've been out there in the heat every day. It's hot in Tennessee. It's hot. And I've been outside like a crazy person every day taking care of my tomatoes. But it also taught me patience in a different way that I didn't know, because I started from seeds. And if you're a gardener, you know how long they can take. Because my God, Jesus. But on a serious note, that is literally why I have been absent from YouTube, and on my other social media I've been more active there because it doesn't take as much. But I think I'm going to start giving y'all garden content. I mean, the channel is NaturallyMarshea, and the reason I said that is because I try to do things naturally. I am not a medication person. I hate taking medicine. It is the worst enemy to me. I don't like it. The only reason I take the BC is because I would rather deal with this than with a cycle. Because, no thank you. Y'all would never get a video out of me. Also, my hair is natural. I don't wear makeup a lot, which is not something I see as a flex. I just don't. I mean, one of the main reasons is because I don't know how to. So, there's that. I just try to do things natural. So, NaturallyMarshea, I'm just naturally me. I'm myself. I'm authentic. I'm real. I'm raw. Uncensored. I'm a little censored. I don't want to get banned. But on TikTok, I'm a little more carefree. But yeah. So, I think I'm going to start giving y'all different types of content to make up for the hair content. Well, the lack thereof hair content. But yes, so fibromyalgia, endometriosis, if you want to learn more about them, Endo Black is a great organization. I was an Endo Black ambassador for a while and I loved it. Lauren is the best. The best. She knew what she was doing when she put Endo Black together. So definitely shout out to Lauren. But if you want to learn more about fibromyalgia, I would say to look on Google, but Google don't always be right. So the more I learn about it, even though I've had it for years, I still don't know much about it. The more I learn about it, I'll share. But for Endo, I would definitely say Endo Black in my content, because seeing the different experiences from the different people is much different from just seeing one person's way of dealing with it. Because there's people that are vegan that they've been vegan their entire life. So it's like, oh, your diet. But when the person is vegan, what can you say about their diet? You know, just a good question. But I'm going to get off of here because I'm starting to ramble and rant. But thank you so very much. You see, it's been a while. Thank you so very much for watching. I really appreciate all of you who have come back since y'all see that I have posted another video. And peace out, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, you are beautiful and your hair is unique. See you. Bye.